Hello, my name is Roland and I'm the president of the Elmi Training Institute. And today I have the opportunity to take some of my students and bring them on to one of my customer sites. And today we're going to actually look at the installation of some license plate cameras. And at this point, we are going to be talking to security and let them know that we are on site. And also, once we've seeked clearance, we are going to go up on the roof. We'll be looking at a few things that the students need to understand. Over the last few days, they have been learning all about closed circuit television, CCTV, all the pros and cons, and how to install, troubleshoot, and design some of the systems.
Anyway, let's get our cable from there down here and also down there onto the northwest portion. So let's go down that stairs, that ladder that is there. Let's go down and see how best we can get our cable all the way down. Lift there and then we can extend it. If you don't have a boom lift, then what are you doing? Yeah, so if you don't have a boom lift, you have access here, you bring a ladder here, and then one of those extended ladders, you can extend it all the way there, and then you can mount from here there and have your cable down. What else? Silicone. You need silicone? Good.
Some connectors.
You need connectors?
A new switch, right?
Yeah, we have to check the switch for power rating. Guys ready? Let's do it. Let's do it. So this is what you guys learned in class. See, he's going through them, the same thing that you guys. These switches are all gigabit switches. So these are the uplink ports here.
We are looking at how the students would be able to rough in their cabling from the main video recorder end to the camera location. We are also going to be looking at camera placements whilst we are here on site, as well as the opportunity to touch these cameras, program them before going to actually install them.
Put that one, you don't have a tight connection here, so chances are water could still go around it.
So as you can see now, one of the students is in the process of programming one of the cameras, and we're trying to see if he is able to recollect some of the things that he learned in class.
So now like I am adding those particular 3 cameras into the NVR so that we can have a look at it on the screen.
How do you know it was custom added? It's just because you've done it in class before, so you know that it's familiar with it, and it's going to be something around that area that you have to learn. The cameras were already populated, so if you scroll all the way down, you should see them.
The last stage of the install is to just fine-tune the camera and make sure that the angles are where we want them to be. So I'm just going to go up and do the last checks, make sure the camera is well secured up to onto the wall and would not move, so this way we can lock everything in place. And that would bring us to the end of this amazing field trip with our students. And I hope this is going to give them an opportunity to appreciate what happens in the real world. And well, we hope you enjoyed watching this.
Did you have any questions translating what you learned in class and what you actually learned on site?
Like it's I think like pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Just like sitting on the chairs and doing stuff. But then when we are in actual location, it's a little different.
Yeah.
You need to like take out the ladders and stuff and do it. So like I love it.
That's good. So pretty much once you get in the industry, this is the kind of thing you'll be doing on a day-to-day basis, and you'll be doing some troubleshooting. And as you master the craft, you get into more advanced stuff, and you know, the sky's the limit as to what you can do with the new acquired skill that you have. Follow Delmi Training. Our social medias are at Delmi Training, so you can always follow us and like, subscribe to our channels if you want, and get updates on any new videos that we might put out. Thank you for watching.